Hey, what's up? My name is Christian. I Today I was able to create a unique converter in Java for an app mobile. Um, this is my first time using Java, so I'll go ahead and show my screen so you guys can see my code, and I'll try to explain how I created. So this is my first time using Java. I didn't know anything about Java before, so first, this is just the design. As you guys can see, this is just the code and this is the design. So in the design, we have this. So we have a text input user where the user is going to be able to put whatever they want to do. This is just a text box, centimeters, and then this is a button. So this is just the design, and this is going to be the main code. So here we have some libraries that are important automatically whenever we use a button, or whenever we use the text or the text view. So they come automatically. Then this is just the activity. And in this one, we are creating a class where we are going to use our converter. So every time that we create something in Java, we have to always create a class, which is what's going to help us out to start the code. So we create the code, we start the code process, we create in a class, and then after that class, you start creating functions. So in this function, it's a protected function. It's an onCreate function. And here we are just kind of connecting the layout, which is this main activity. As you guys can see, this is the activity main. .xml. And then here we are creating the buttons and linking it to the layout. So we are creating the users, the variables, because whenever you are using Java, you have to create the variables first, and then you can use them. Then here we are linking those variables. And then in this part is where we are creating the function. So whenever the user clicks the button, then the formula is going to be performed. So this is another function. And then here we can see whenever the user clicks the button, it's going to take the value of the text, put it as a string, and then it's going to do the number times 100, because this program in a specific, it's only a centimeter converter, meaning that I put the meters, and then the meters are going to be multiplied by 100, and then we're going to have centimeters. And this is just to show the answer with color blue. So I'll go ahead and run the program. I'm going to use my emulator here. The emulator is optional. You can actually connect your phone to if you want, but in this case, I'm just going to put the emulator so you guys have a better idea and see it a little bit better. And then here should be this one. Let's just wait for a moment. Usually it takes a little bit, and my computer is not really that great. So, okay. So enter the length in meters. So let's suppose that we're going to put 100. We're going to put 100. And then we are going to convert it. And then it just shows up here. So 100 is 10,000 centimeters. And yeah, this is my simple program. As I mentioned before, it's not like a lot, but this is the first time I used Java, which was great. I was able to understand more about the process of creating classes, functions, and linking everything. I think the unique thing about Java is that you are creating a design and also at the same time linking all of those variables with the objects that we are creating here, which was really interesting. My first time doing that. And also constrain the objects, which is like 74 here and 72, because if we don't constrain them, automatically it's not gonna work. So yeah, that was my program. I know it's a small program, but I was able to learn a lot from creating this simple program. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.